How to turn timer off on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn the timer off on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just take a photo or record a video using the camera on the main screen, and after capturing the snap, just look at the right side editing menu, and there you will be able to see a timer icon. So there you just have to tap on it, and now here you'll see different timer options from 1 to 10 seconds. So here, to remove the time limit, what you can do is you can simply scroll all the way down to no limit, and here once you have set this means the snap will stay on the screen until the viewer taps to close it. And with that being said, here once you have set the no limit option, you can just go back and tap on send to and choose a friends and send the snap. And that's it. That's how you can turn the timer off on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.